Check out this 2007 Toyota Camry Solara. Although you will not be this vehicle's first owner, it will make you a fabulous vehicle. There are no known CTS in this vehicle. Not only is the outside clean, the inside is smoke-free. There are no signs of prior damage on this vehicle. If you are tired of the back-and-forth games most dealers play, then pick up the phone and let us show you how we do things differently. Price, service and value are not just words to us. Internet pricing is subject to change at any time, and is only available with approved dealer financing. Please call us for more information. Contact the dealership today.